he used to it.
I told the company, I said, y'all might have to only send certain nurses because this is, you know, I hate bothering that. To open my door up, let it rain, and I'm like, people didn't used to come to my house and they just take a read that they see me up. My husband has a nurse, that's a nurse. And so
Maybe know we do.
No, they, some of them ain't clean. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, some of them, it ain't that they not clean. Well, if one of them not clean and one of them don't care, like he just trying to do a job. He don't care about other people. That's what I'm saying. He don't care about it. If you have a decent house, don't spill water. Don't just do this. You know, like this is my kitchen. You know, and that's my living room. And I was telling her, you know, the respect.
What you where you stay?
I stay in Bell Fountain. And I just had to
she stay close to my grandma's house.
And I explained it, but I had a lot of work done.
I just said it was like your grandma's house.
Yeah, I had a lot of work. I had a lot of work. I had a lot of work done to that house. It didn't look like that.
You need to give me that.
I thought it was gonna be your house.
I don't think my house can give it to you. She probably give it to Toronto or Mumu. I told Toronto that last month. I said she'll give it to y'all before she give it to
But Mumu live in Texas, don't she? Mumu ain't gonna come back.
she gotta leave it to somebody.
She probably give it to Texas.
Because Mumu was at, well, I guess she was.
So her house is made like mine.
It look like
I don't know. She got.
See, that's my.
When you come through the garage, she got the family room.
See, she heard
Then
like my
down
neighbor.
kitchen, they separated.
Well, what do you do to keep your
I don't have a lot of people like you said.
I'm just saying because
the thing is still cleaner.
We got some pads in my job that we like we use stainless steel.
What you use on yours?
I use this spray that you buy from Depot and stuff.
But see,
I'll
bring you some stuff. We got some stainless steel stuff. We white stuff up like that. And my job
But I got a stainless steel stove too.
Good. And it works good. It works. Just like that. That's why I asked you what you do.
What I do is the trick is to drop by that stainless steel cleaner, but you have to clean it first. To get
What you cleaning with, like just soap and water?
Don't do that. It'll mess you up. Don't do
But
something.
then I spray the cleaner on. After I clean it, because if you put the stuff on there and you can see all of the marks, you can see all of the dirt, you have to get that off.
I'm gonna bring PP. We got the pad and we got the spray. We don't got the fucking water messing it up. So we got this stuff. It's called stainless steel. She got to put something on the towel. It is still next time for a month. It's that old. It's still for a month. She can wipe it. It'll look shiny. On high, it'll come off if somebody put their handprint or stuff like that on. Like, you know, somebody just be on you and do it like that. I can spray like one of my galleries. I just spray it on there, and because everybody grown in there, it'll look shiny for a whole month.
Ooh-wee.
Yeah, I'm bringing it. So I ain't know you had something to do. Yeah. My husband used it too, like when he got his tires and all this stuff.
And the chrome on his tire. Okay. But that's how I do mine.
Excuse me. I'm gonna make a phone for my son to come and get his tires on.
I'm actually leaving.
Yeah. Why?
Why you leaving? You ain't seen me over here talking. You won't pay no attention. I was just a movement. Because I need some money. Yeah, and it's too slow for me.
Well, you doing her at your house? Well, here, give me your card. So you know you do her at your house, you know you gotta go to your price.
Not necessarily.
I'm just playing.
I'm like, cause your work on speed.
Yeah.
When it comes.
Hey, you straight leaving.
Yeah.
Today's your last day? Where you stay at?
Influencing.
Okay, that's right. Okay.
Yeah.
And we get on top of the other porch,
I
we get
went
off
back
the porch, we
to
get
my old job.
Going to your old job?
Yeah, they want me to manage, be store manager again at
What?
Great Clips. Yeah.
So you ain't gonna be doing her in there too?
No, I just cut it now. We just cut it.
Or you not cut her too?
Yeah, I got a lot going on right now. So I need that guaranteed money, that guaranteed income in. So, you know, I can't like play around because it's just me by myself. So, I
You
got
still gonna do the other place?
Oh, I do that. I was there last night. And then I bought 10.
Now where is that?
One on Page and one on Metro Bridge and Bridge.
I don't know why I thought it was on St. Joe's Rockville.
Okay.
That's actually, it was super fun. It's super fun. I bought